Road to Shore has not posted a video for nearly 8 months. And everyone's asking the same question.
Where is Harry?
Right, let's open some packs.
How's it going, guys? Now, me and my brother are here in Dubai on some dodgy ass setup, but we're gonna do a pack battle. So we're gonna take it in turns, opening packs until we get a walkout, and it has to be a walkout. It only counts if the player walks out, and then whoever gets the highest rated player each round is the winner.
Sorry about the audio. It gets better later in the video, I promise. I flew all the way to Dubai and forgot to plug my mic in. Ugh.
I think we underestimated the heat. It's outrageous. Ooh. Ooh. English. Harry Kane. Wait, right ring. Oh! Raheem Sterling! Raheem the Dream! Wait, what are you celebrating? Oh no! Come on! 93 pace, 89 dribbling, 79 shooting, and it only took us about 15 minutes to get a walkout. Oh, it's a walkout. Ooh. Be a stinker. Be a stinker. Oh my god! No! No! Mate, I can't even be pissed! I can't even be pissed! Mate, you easily beat Raheem Sterling with a 92 informed De Bruyne! Are you taking the piss? To be fair, it did take us like half an hour, but smashed it! Mate, our first 2 walkouts, Sterling, and then informed De Bruyne! Oh, Jesus Christ, alright, so that's 1 round to you.
Yeah, wait, is this your account?
Yes, but I'm not, mate.
You're welcome.
I know, I'm not even mad, but what? Fucking hell! Come on! Break! You bastard! You bastard! You bastard! You bastard! Mate, I'm with bloody Pogba!
Oh, boys.
Oh, you son of a... Tell us so piss off, lad! Oh, mate. Oh. Oh, go on. Polish! Wait. Lewandowski! Lewandowski! Come on! Come on! Yes! Oh my days! Mate, he's 89 rated, you're done.
I'm done.
Mate, I'm winning the final round.
To be fair, I got 89 last time.
No, fuck off. Mate, 77 stinky pace, but who gives a shit? Mate, whatever happens, I'm just gassed with the players that we've got. Anyone else in the pack? You never know. No, there's no one else. But we'll take Lewandowski, that'll do.
And so, me and my brother sat in the scorching Dubai heat for another 45 minutes, just waiting for our next walkout.
Oh, wait. Austrian. Left back. David Alaba. Wait, he's a stinker. I've won a round. He's a stinker. Wait, no, he's got to be a walkout. He's not a walkout. He's not a walkout. Mate, how's he not a walkout? He's 85 rated. That's bullshit. All right, so because it's not a walkout, it doesn't count. That is
another go.
What is this? Argentina. Right. Di Maria. Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Josh! Oh, come on! Come on! Are you what? Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh my days! Bro! Bro! I don't even care that I lost! I don't even We came to Dubai to film this, mate. You legend! Oh my god! Oh my god!
On our bootleg setup, you can't even see it. We got Messi.
Ah! Bro, I lost every single round. Every time you got higher rate player than me. Do I give a shit? No! What are you saying? Yes, Dubai! Oh my days! Mate, that is unreal. That is unreal.
Not long after, me and my brother ran out of FIFA points. So I went and found a Dubai sheikh and begged him to buy me some more. And then it was time to head home. Alright, so we have got 700,000 FIFA points. Unfortunately, the Dubai Sheikh only had PS4 codes, so we switched to PlayStation, and I've worked it out, to get through all of these points, I'm gonna have to open packs for about 24 hours straight. Oh, what? Our first walkout! Come on! French, please! Mbappe! Come on, oh, you son of a gun! No! Oh, I mean, we'll take Lacazette. I'm not complaining. That's a sick first walkout, but all my life I thought it was Mbappe. Ah! Oh, God. Come on, EA Sports. Wait, is that good? I think that's good. Oh, Welsh. Oh, Gareth Bale. We got Gareth Bale. Yes, we got Gareth Bale. Oh, my. Wait, he's 85 rated. What? You're telling me Gareth Bale isn't even a walkout?
What about that from Gareth Bale?
Okay, enough of this. I've been sat in these wet clothes for like an hour. And my chair is absolutely soaking. Much better. Okay, let's continue. Oh, my first walkout in ages. French. Lacazette. Oh, that's not Lacazette! That's not Lacazette! That's Mbappe! Oh my god! Wait, what? What? I mean, I swear to God, I haven't had a walkout in so long. I saw the French flag, I didn't get gassed. You are kidding me! Wait, what are we saying? Please. 1.3, 1.2, 1.1. Oh, okay, right. To celebrate Mbappe, I'm gonna go wakeboarding.
Yo, listen. I ain't one of them boys from the past who ain't got the answer. I got the answer. Dance round bricks with a blow like a dancer. Gangsters putting your crew, there's no chance, and I won't take yes for the answer. When shots fly, you be jumping like an Irish dancer. My name's Emo, so class A like Nino, troublemaker like Reno.
Yeah, so that's what I hoped would have happened. But in reality. Ooh, that's a walkout. Please, no way. Oh, it's Bernardo Silva. That's still sick. But for a split second, whenever the Portugal flag pops up, I'm like, maybe it's Ronaldo. But you know what? We'll take Bernardo Silva. And by the way, since we've just got a sick BPL player, this is probably a good time to show you something that happened on the first week, or literally 2 or 3 days after FIFA got released.
Harry.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, my days. It's my Wait. Are you recording? Please.
Shit.
Oh, it doesn't matter, mate. It doesn't matter. What? That is the best in form that you can pack in
the team of the week. 95 pace.
Oh my god.
89 dribbling, 85 shot.
Oh my days.
Well, I wasn't recording, but I'm going to put that in the video anyway. The best in form in the first week of FIFA. Look at that card. Oh. Lewandowski again. Hang on. Excuse me? What the freak? What? Surely he's not good enough to warrant it going all the way to the end of the tunnel. He's got 69 pace. What have you got for me? Oh, walkout, I think. Oh, Rakitic or Modric. Rakitic or Modric. It's Modric. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. This teddy bear is so big. Jesus Christ, I've been waiting so long for a walkout, and we go and get 90 rated Modric. There you go, mate. What is he? 400k. Are you? Wait, he's not even worth 100k. Are you taking the piss? What flag is that? It's.
I'm a blood client.
Oh my days! Wait, I know for a fact he is worth peas. He has to be 88 rated, 94 pace BPL striker. He's probably worth like 5 mil. Aubameyang! I'm not gonna lie to you boys, I've been opening packs for about 5 hours now, and I've got very bored, so I've tweeted out asking for some pack superstitions. Someone said do a leave the room pack. So next walkout I get, I'm gonna leave the room. Oh, finally a walkout! Okay, please, be decent! Oh. Alright, I'm not looking. I'm gonna leave the room pack. Will it pay off? Oh, yes it will! Luis Suarez! We've got another 88 rated, 89 rated striker! That took so long! That took so long! I've been waiting for a walkout for like half an hour, and we go and get Suarez! Come on! By the way, you might want to see this. The other day on Gibbs stream, we were opening packs on my account, and we got this. Oh, it's a walkout!
Whoa! London! Ah! De Bruyne!
Oh god, alright, someone on Twitter has said, open packs while wearing goalie gloves. Oh dear, I'm legit gonna accidentally discard something with these. I've got the hang of this now, to be fair to me. I mean, it's a bit dodgy. And, whoa, walk out, please. German, left wing. Oh, wait, Sané. Is that Sané? It's the 95 pace Sané. Go on. Oh my days. Wait, I can't get this off. Wait, yeah. Yes. 86 dribbling, 81 shooting, 95 pace. The goalkeeper gods worked. Oi, he's worth about 250k. All because he's got 95 pace. Pace is so OP. Oh wait, hang on a minute. We got Zidane in a pack. We got Zidane in a pack. Come on. I don't know what that flag is. Oh, goalkeeper. We got a goalkeeper walkout with the goalie gloves on. We got bloody old black. Oh my days. Wait, he's the best goalkeeper in the game. I swear he's the best in the game. Yes! I've been wearing these bloody goalie gloves for like an hour. And this is why. It all paid off. You 91 rated, 92 handling, 89 reflexes, 90 positioning. These are coming off. My hands are so sweaty. Oh, I think that's good. Messi again? Wait, Maradona! Oh no! Wait, who is that? Dybala! Well, we'll take Dybala. 88 rated. That's sick. It's not quite Maradona, but I didn't really think it was going to be Maradona. But that's a sick pull. Argentina again? Actually, Messi. No! I thought I was about to get Messi on Xbox and on PlayStation, but we got cucked by Di Maria, which is still a sick card, to be fair. we've got two Argentinian walkouts in a row who are both very good, but they're both not Messi or Maradona. Ooh. Shut up. Yeah! Yeah! Come on! Oh my days! Oh my days! We bloody did it! We bloody did it! I cannot believe it! I cannot believe it! Oh my god! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! You boy! Oh yeah! Oh, that feels good! Give myself a migraine! Ow! My head! We did it! I was like, I've got to open packs until I get someone sick. We've got to go Ronaldo! I can post a video! Oh my days! Yes! What a beauty! You legend!